What the Aunt Pearl? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the KD12 Aunt Pearl. Now, this shoe is the latest shoe in the KD Aunt Pearl family. Ever since the KD4, KD has done some form of Aunt Pearl colorway, basically a pink or whitish colorway, paying homage to his Aunt Pearl who died of breast cancer in 2000. And what's cool about this shoe is that it takes all 8 previous models of the Aunt Pearl line and kind of combines it into its own little what the shoe. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard KD12 box, the brown box with the Kevin Durant branding on the side panel, the KD logo on the top with the Nike swoosh, and the Nike basketball on the back. And the colorway of this shoe is multicolor. Now let's take a look at the shoe. As I said before, this shoe is a combination of all 8 previous models of the Aunt Pearl line, while also standing out as its own model due to the nature of the KD12. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the fly wire toe, and it's in that nice, cool pink. Moving towards the tongue, you've got a midfoot strap taken from the KD7, and under the strap, you've got the same branding as the KD7 did. So it's got the Kevin Durant KO Cancer Fund. It also has a nice little message to his Aunt Pearl, in memory of Aunt Pearl. You've got the plush tongue, and the tongue tag features Aunt Pearl in this nice signature script. I don't know if it picks it up. There it is. Also, the laces on this shoe are pink, and the aglets, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but it has this nice little glitter design to it. It's a nice little touch. The inside of the tongue features the same message as the midfoot strap, in memory of Aunt Pearl, who inspired us to continue to fight for the cure, along with the KO symbol on the top. The insole features this nice little diamond graphic. If I remember correctly, this comes from the KD5, the tongue. But it says the KD11 and KO Fund on the actual message right there on the inside. So it would lead me to believe it's from the KD11, but if I'm not mistaken, it's from the KD5. The sock liner is that same plush material as the tongue is, and again, also taken from the KD10. Moving towards the heel, you got more of the fly wire as a base, along with the white suede Nike swoosh. And on the ankle collar, I don't know if you can pick it up, but it's the design from the KD4. And where the heel is the design from the KD8. Moving towards the heel, you've got more of the bubbled kind of design taken from the KD4 around the ankle. And you've got this patch with the pearl design and the KD branding. This is actually taken from the KD9. And you've also got more of the bubble right there from the KD8. The medial features the ankle collar with the same design as the KD4. And under that, right on this patch right here, is the design taken from the KD6. Also, you've got the quad axial fly wire print, which actually comes standard with all the KD12s. The midsole on the medial side is this light pink. And on the lateral side, it's this rubber overlay with glitter on it. It's a really nice design. And the outsole is pink with this purplish blue hue taken directly from the KD11 with the Nike swoosh right in the middle. This shoe is super dope. I would have never thought that KD would have done a what the line. But considering that he's already 8 shoes deep, this is now his 9th shoe, it makes sense for him to just put all the designs that he's had in the past all together on one shoe. For me, I think it would make more sense for him to have done it on the 10th model. So not the KD12, but the KD13 when the Aunt Pearl colorway came out. But this shoe is definitely dope enough where it still did the justice, and it's just all around clean. And the KD12 has had a lot of great colorway, and this is another one that just joins the collection. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.